Today, I'm going to show you how to make my homemade all-purpose dry spice seasoning. This seasoning is perfect for any protein of choice, being it chicken, beef, fish, turkey, you name it. And it also takes your stew and soup to the next level. And guess what? With this blend, you won't need seasoning cubes at all. It's clean, flavorful, and so easy to make. So let's jump right in. I have here some cloves, rosemary, fenugreek, cumin, peppercorn, cardamom, bay leaf, calabash, nutmeg, oregano, Italian seasoning, thyme, and so more. I'll make sure I list everything in the description box below. So to bring out the flavor of the spices, we are going to toast a few of them first, okay? In a pan over a medium heat, I'm adding calabash, nutmeg, rosemary, fenugreek, cumin, bay leaves. We'll toast this for about a minute. Keep stirring and making sure I don't burn it. We are just waking up all those beautiful aromas, okay? Once they are lightly toasted and fragrant, we remove them from the pan, then transfer it into a bowl to cool down. Now it's time to grind everything together. I'm using a small spice blend grinder, but if you have a good blender, you can definitely use that. Because my grinder is small, I'm doing this bit by bit. We'll start by adding the cloves, then some of the toasted spices, followed by garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, oregano, thyme, and some salt. We'll grind everything together until it is nice, smooth, and powdery. We'll pour it out into a bowl and repeat the same process until all my spices are blended. If you like, you can add some pepper flakes for extra kick, okay? Just feel free to add anything you want. Once everything is beautifully grinded, we'll give everything a good mix so that all the flavors combine perfectly. So simple, and it will take your food to the next level. There you have it, my homemade all-purpose dry spice seasoning. This blend is so flavorful and natural. No need to add any seasoning cubes at all. Use it on any protein, add it to your stews or soup, and enjoy that rich, delicious taste. Now, you can store this in your airtight container and keep it in a cool, dry place. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my delicious recipes. Until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye, guys.